Now, Katie and Ken, it's 60 degrees in Boston, and we got a dew point 56. We got just a few scattered clouds out there, northwest breeze, so it's looking like it's going to turn out to be pretty decent the first part of the day with plenty of sunshine in the morning before the clouds start to roll in by late morning and midday. These are the numbers right now, so not bad. We felt a little cool today when we had some of those clouds rolling in and some of those sprinkles and light showers develop. But when the sun popped out now and then, it did warm up, and so we got to the upper 60s. And these will be tomorrow's highs, probably matching, if not exceeding, today's highs by a couple of degrees. Some spots may get into the lower 70s, so a little bit warmer than I was thinking earlier because it looks like the sunshine may last just a little bit longer. But most of the rest of the nation tomorrow will be in the 80s, and we got a 106 coming up in Phoenix tomorrow. Here's what's going on. We got this front here, and that's what's going to cause our consternation here for Monday and Tuesday. It looks rather innocuous, just one little string of showers and storms there as it's poking southeastward. But it looks like as it gets to New England, it's going to evolve into more of a rainstorm. Right now, quite a bit of lightning going on out here in portions of Michigan as it's crossing the Great Lakes. So it doesn't look like much yet, but it is going to evolve into a longer-lasting rain event for us. But for most of tonight, it's going to clear out in most spots, and we'll go down to near 50. A couple spots may make it in the upper 40s by daybreak. And then with all the sunshine in the morning, it's going to start warming up, much like it was early this morning. It was beautiful out there, and then the clouds started rolling in. They came from the north today. Tomorrow they'll come from the west, and it'll be getting cloudy the first half of the afternoon. Latest indications suggest that the rain will come in by late afternoon, but a lot of it's going to slant off to the south of the Mass Pike and be in this part of New England, so it would not arrive in Boston and northeastern Massachusetts until tomorrow evening, and then we'll get maybe some downpours and some light rain. Then the rain will be happening much of the time, but it'll be sort of variable in intensity through Monday and Tuesday when we get some periods of light rain and drizzle, and other times get some downpours like this area of downpours, which may come through later Monday evening. It's going to evolve into a new storm south of New England. The wind's really going to start to ramp up Monday night and Tuesday. Along the coast, it could go as high as 40 to 45 miles an hour. So that's going to enhance the rainfall, especially over southeastern Massachusetts, and probably end up, by the time we get to at least 2 o'clock on Tuesday afternoon, of about 1.5 to possibly 2 inches of rain in spots. But take a look at these temperatures, though. This is something else. We got 70, which is 70, 71, 72 perhaps tomorrow, which is really nice. But only 58 on Monday with the periods of rain. But perhaps only 52 if it draws down some cold air from the north on Tuesday. And if it only hits 52, that's the lowest high temperature for June 6 on record, so we may tie that. But in any event, it warms up later in the week. We go back to the 70s and 80s at the end of the week. So that's the way it looks right now.